Hi, I'm Zaidul from SEO Glaze, and today I am going to discuss one of the good plugins that you can use in your WordPress sites to track visitors and the views of your pages, as well as the session bounce rate. Right. So we have been using one plugins called Jetpack, but most of the times we have seen that plugins does not work well because they takes many resources, and also our website loading speeds will impact for using that plugins, right? So this is why we was doing something research and found this good plugins, right? So this plugins has two options. One is free version and another is the paid version, but most of the times the free version will works, right? So we can see the free version and the paid version here. So here is the official sites. We can see the actual name of this plugin is Independent Analytics, right? So this is very easy to use, right? Like for Google Analytics, we have to sign up that analytics account and then take the codes and use that code in our WordPress sites. It's a little bit tricky, right? But if we use this plugin, we don't need to do anything. Just install the plugins and boom, we can easily track all the details from our WordPress dashboard, right? So here we can see we can easily download this free version from here. Also we can download from the WordPress plugin section. So if we go to the WordPress plugin section and click on add new section, then do search Independent Analytics, then we can see this free version, right? So as we have use the paid version, so we can see here the server showing we have to install this free version, right? So we are going to use the paid version here, so we will not install here, right? So you can use this free version without any issue, right? And now I am going to share some of the best experience by using these plugins. So after installing these plugins, we can see here is the dashboard of our plugins, right? As we can see, this is the demo sites we have been using to test some different types of plugins or any other SAX tools. Here you can see the number of visitors as per total 30 days, right? So we can do filters and check different types of metrics, right? If you want to know what the today's metrics, then we can see that also. Here you can see the visitor is 1, views 2, and season 2, right? And bounce rate, views per section, each and everything has clearly mentioned here, right? And the most important thing is that these metrics can update very fast, right? So you can see now it's showing only one visitor, right? So if we open this URL on incognito mode, then we can see the data has changed. So we have opened these sites, and if we refresh this page, then we can see, you can see that views has counted, right? This means this is one of the live tracking tools, right? Now here you can see different types of metrics we can check and uncheck to know the details, right? If we scroll down here, we can see the details in which URLs the visitor is visiting, and the total number of views, the bounce rate, right? So we can also know the what types of page is that, is it page or post or category, right? So we can also edit the column here. We can add or remove the views or add something which you want to prefer to show here, right? We can also filters, like you can add these filters here to do get your personal information, right? So now we will see the refer section. In this section we can see that exact the traffic source, right? So you can see the traffic are getting from direct, or you can see wpx.net. It's our hosting servers that we have all hosted this site. It means if the site is getting visitors from Google or Facebook or any types of platform, then we can easily track from here, right? So you can already discuss how these metrics work in these pages, right? And now if we go to the geographic section, then we can see in which countries, right? This is also a good factor. In which countries the most people are coming on our website, right? You can see that currently it is showing Indian traffic, right? So all of these are included in the free version, right? This is very good one. So for most of the case we used the paid version in the real-time section. In real time we can see how many visitor is currently live in our sites, right? So if we open this page, then we can see one active live visitors, right? So this is a real-time indicator also, right? So how many people are open our site, in which page you can see in which page they are viewing our sites, in which countries they are from, and which device they are using, right? Each and everything we can see, right? So for the real-time metrics, we should have their paid version. For paid version we can see they have two version, free version and paid version. We have for single license, and we can invest at least $54 per year to get the full metrics of our sites, right? But most of the time the free version will also work, right? So if you start your local business or any type of online websites, then you can start with this free version. And the most important thing is that this plugin will not decrease your website loading speed, right? We have already tested, and this is why I'm going to share this, right? And now in the paid version we can see another good thing is that here is the details things. Just a minute. Yeah, if we see feature section, then these are the options that are available in free section, in free version. And now you can see the campaign tracking is included on the paid version. So if you want to track your campaign, then this paid version will be very helpful for you. And you can see we have already discussed that real-time analytic will be given on the paid version, right? WooCommerce integration, which is most important factor if you want to sell your online product, right? So these features will be very helpful to you. And HTML email report, filtering is as included in the free version, also sorting, right? So these are the information that you can use in your paid version, right? So in the settings section we can do something, we can change this also. We can enable the dark mode, right? And the day of the fast day of the week we can select as per our choice. You can see delivery time, and also we can block the IP, right? If we want to block any particular region traffic, then we can easily block that from this here. This is also good features, right? And you can block the user also. We can easily control the roles of our users, right? It may be author, subscriber, translator, right? And we can see this is good options that we can use, right? So as per my experience, this plugins is very good if you want to track your website traffic from from your WordPress dashboard, right? So I hope this information will help you to decide if this plugin is helpful or not. If we found any others good free plugins like this, then please do comment here. We are going to test that plugin also, right? And if you like this video, then please do like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.